Christ and accepted in the Beloved. God accepts us because we only have to abide or remain in the Christ, our vine. Focus on your condition instead of your position in Christ. In Christ. Remain conscious of who you are in Christ, and you will bear much fruit.
The principal and staff of the school, parents and invited guests, cadets and fellow students, ladies and gentlemen, Bulabinaka and good morning to you all. It gives me great pleasure to be here this morning to review this passing out parade of your cadet corps. Cadets, let me begin by congratulating you on your parade. Your turnout, drill, and bearing were of the highest standard. You, your families, and your instructors should be very proud about the precision and discipline of your performance. I must commend you for the effort in the preparation of this passing out parade. Well done. You are part of a long tradition that spans back to 1952 on the history of cadet passing out in Fiji. You joined the ranks of more than 1,000 cadets who have gone before you over the past years. They've created a strong legacy here at the school that you're now a part of. I have to say, you make a very impressive sight. In occasions such as this, I always look forward to spending a few moments with graduating cadets. I had a chance today to look into the eyes of approximately 400 student cadets who were passing before me, and I saw joy in their eyes. I guess pride, and most of all, I saw relief that the foot drills, marching, and rehearsals will be no more. I know that parents are proud and joyous and they're relieved that you are now passing out. I accepted this opportunity to speak to you with the full knowledge that delivering an address is a very difficult task. I know that the 15 weeks of drill has taught you some very important lessons which contribute to building your character as a young person. Some of you have been charged as leaders in your companies and platoons, others privates. This is done in order that there is a structure where a line of authority can be established and instructions to filter right down to the lowest level. With what you have all been familiar with, you acted on commands where you all were required to respond correctly to the words of commands given as an authority or an instruction from your leader. All our movements were orderly and well synchronized and very precise. That is discipline. Self-discipline will be critical when it comes to making the right decisions, when making tough judgment calls. You will encounter challenges in life, and it is a discipline that builds part of your character, which will make the difference in what you will want to be in the future. As I look across the faces of the cadets passing out today, I know that you too are the pride of Maduata, that you too are going to go out and shape Honolulu and contribute to our effort in national building. I encourage you to do so with the confidence and certainty that you have the power to determine your own destination. Nelson Mandela once stated, "I am the master of my fate and the captain of my destiny." To you all young men and women, you have the freedom and the power to decide where the journey of your life will take you. You are to decide based upon your personal choice as the paths you take and where they will lead you. You are the one that steers your ship, and what end your ship will prosper depends on the decision you make today. Looking across this parade today, I feel a great sense of inspiration and optimism about our nation. By joining the cadets, you have embraced the notion of patriotism, love for your country, of discipline, duty, honor, integrity, honesty, and the wonderful principle of service that we must always place at the center of our national life. You have also been taught about the value and importance of leadership. There are many different qualities that go into making a good leader. One is wisdom, honesty, commitment, vision. But I believe that the essence of good leadership is leading by example. To stand up for the things you believe in and speak out when you see your values being challenged. Let me conclude with a saying that was written by Joseph Epstein. He said, "We do not choose to be born. We do not choose our parents or our time or country of birth or the circumstances of our upbringing. We do not, at least most of us, choose to die or the time and conditions of our death. But within all the realm of this choicelessness, we do choose how we shall live, courageously or cowardice, honorably or dishonorably, with purpose or drift. We decide what's important and what is trivial. We decide and we choose, and so we give definition to our lives." Cadets, you have made us very proud today. You have made our RFMF instructors proud. You have made our parents and teachers proud. You are a great credit to your school and a great credit to our nation. Over the past 15 weeks, you have learned about yourselves, about your strengths and weaknesses, and about important values like discipline, honor, and honesty. Take these lessons with you as you embark on the next chapter of your life. They will serve you and our nation well. Congratulations, and God bless you all. Now, Salvalevo.
The best male cadet for Cadet Passing Out Parade 2017 is awarded to Nemani Baitaki, who hails from Nandakuni, Naitasiri. So we thank all the people from the other side of the island here to educate the Kondrobembua in Maduata. Naka. The best female cadet for the Cadet Passing Out Parade 2017 is awarded to Pauline Rossi of EF 13B, who hails from Gamea, Tavioni. The best detachment in drill is awarded to Detachment 1. Under the leadership of Seru Wusunidewa of EA 12E, who hails from Rekiniwai. And the best all-round cadet for All Saints Secondary School Cadet Passing Out Parade for year 2017 is awarded to the parade commander, Moses Seru of Nukuloa, Ngau. Again, we thank the Kumbula Confederacy for educating the Towata, Bonolebu, the Gondrovim Buan Maduata this morning. We are proud of you. After you finish, you'll have your families around here. Keremenda wasau sauti ko rerevina kamangosa. Na vai kara me vareta kana lobe muni na matani. Oban bota ni kemni marau na tumbu. Kena dole vai susu. Na vai kara sa vareta kana lobe muni na matani kwa. Can see our students are smiling. In our level.
My name is Ashlyn Restkachan. I'm from Olsen Secondary School and I'm the head girl of 2017. Okay. It is a great pleasure and honor to take part in this cadet program 2017. It was started after 2 years and I feel so proud. 400 students took part in this cadet program. We have learned a lot of things from this. Example, leadership, discipline and punctuality.
My name is Moses Enelang Vesisir. I'm from Nukuloanga Ulomaiviti. I share my links in Walang Tavioni I am the head boy of All Saints Secondary School. Words cannot describe how we actually feel today. Being parade commander, passing out today was actually means a lot to us. It has drill aims for us. We have the dreams were to be alert, proud, and we are alert and proud of our school today. Most of the most important thing we learned in these drills were to be disciplined. To be, for us as leaders of this cadet pass out, we were to be authoritative. We were to lead by example. We were to set example for fellow cadets to be inspired to become like us one day.